How to use WhatsApp in laptop or PC without the QR code. So if you want to use WhatsApp in your laptop or PC without QR code, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application if you have your WhatsApp. So open it. After opening your WhatsApp, now if you want to log in without the QR code, then first you need to go with Get Started. And here, as it says that you need to scan the QR code, right? So if you don't have the scanner or the QR code, and if you want to log in with the mobile number, then what you need to do is just simply go with the bottom left, which says link with phone number. So click on it, and here you can enter your country and your region, and after that your mobile number. And once you enter that, here you will get the code. So you just need to simply go with your mobile, and you need to enter that code to confirm. So open up your mobile and then unlock your device, and you need to just enter the code which is right here on your mobile device. And after entering the number, it will automatically log you into your account. That's it. That's how you can log in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.